Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a student discount on Apple product. To get a student discount on Apple product, firstly open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. Type on apple.com and enter it. So over here, once you're in this homepage of your Apple, what you need to do is you need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this icon for education here. So from here, you can simply select any of the option. As I'm going to select to the Shofford College. So over here, what you need to do is you can find all of the product here. You can simply select any of the product that you want to purchase. And from here, you can select for your color and for your size as well. And after that, you need to simply and over here, scroll a bit down, select your payment methods. And over here, you need to also check if you qualify your current university or college student. And you need to verify your student status if required. And some country require verification. And after that, you need to follow the on-screen instruction. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below.